In this video, I'm going to show you how to find viral trending topic ideas that you can use to create social media videos right within Syllaby. When you're logged in here to Syllaby, this is the main dashboard. The first thing that you're going to do is come over to Discover Ideas tab on the left-hand menu. And this is going to seem like a lot of information at first, but let me share how simple and powerful that this is. So there's a lot of different areas that you can search. Google Trends, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Bing, TikTok, and then we even have different industries that you can search topics down here as well, depending on where you're at. So first, if we want to come in here, we can type in anything, any industry, any topic. It's going to show you questions with data to show you. So if I type in VA loans, maybe I'm a mortgage officer here, I can click Discover Ideas, and this is going to show us all of these questions and keywords associated with our target keyword that we put in there. It's going to give you a lot of data around this as well. Search volume, if it's trending, a trend line, a cost per click, so you can associate a dollar value with that keyword, and how competitive it is. Now, remember that if you're looking at Google search, this competitive score is going to be based on SEO a little bit, but it's still a good idea to make a video on that topic. But you can see here, what are VA loan rates? When am I eligible for a VA loan? Are VA loans assumable? All sorts of questions. Now we could come over here to YouTube and we can search for the same idea, and it's going to show us slightly different keywords and topics specific to YouTube search with different data and information. Now, if I come over to Instagram and I do that same search, it's going to actually show us related hashtags. So we can see the search volume on those hashtags, trending, information, etc. And so these are all hashtags that you can use in your actual videos to target that specific audience. You can also come over here to TikTok and do the same search. Now, if there's no search volume on here, don't worry. That typically just means that it's less than 10 people. It's still probably a good topic idea to create videos around. Now, the other thing that you can do down here is search by industry. So we could see, if we click healthcare here, we can see all of the topics that Syllaby users are searching for in the healthcare industry. And we can see all sorts of different topics here, right? Same thing with, say, real estate. And so we can see all sorts of real estate, realtor-oriented topics and questions here so that you can make educated decisions on what videos that you should create to get the most traction. I hope this helps you.